Good morning, Turbo Girl. What are you doing so early in the morning?
Oh, I am trying to help Uncle Lim count all the apples in these 5 boxes.
Well, that should take long. Do you know if there is the same number of apples in each of the 5 boxes?
Yes, Uncle Lim told me that there were 15 apples in each of the 5 boxes. I know that to find the total number of apples in all the 5 boxes, I need to multiply 15 by 5. But I have a problem. I only know my multiplication up to 10 by 10. I do not know my 15 multiplication table.
Oh, Turbo Girl, you do not need to know your 15 multiplication table to solve this problem. Let me show you another method. Let us begin by arranging the numbers according to their place values. I multiply the ones by 5 first. 5 ones times 5 is 25 ones. 25 ones is 2 tens and 5 ones. Here I need to carry over 2 tens to the tens column, like this. Then I multiply the tens by 5. 1 ten times 5 equals 5 tens. 2 tens plus 5 tens is equal to 7 tens. So the answer to 15 multiplied by 5 is 75.
That's very fun, teacher. So to multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number, I need to multiply the ones first, followed by the tens. If the number in the ones place is too large, I need to make 10 and then carry over to the tens place.
Yes, Turbo Girl. Here is a question for you to try.
First, I place the bigger number above the smaller number. Then, I multiply the ones by 7. 7 ones multiplied 7 is 49 ones. 49 ones is equal to 4 tens and 9 ones. I write 9 in the ones place and carry over 4 tens to the tens place. I write 4 above 4 tens. Next, I multiply the tens by 7. 4 tens times 7 is 28 tens. Finally, I add 4 tens to 28 tens and get 32 tens. 32 tens is 302 tens. Therefore, the answer to 47 times 7 is 329.
Well done, Turbo Girl.
Uncle Lim has just given me another 6 boxes of oranges. He has asked me to find out the total number of oranges in all the boxes. This time, there are 112 oranges in each box. Can I use the method you have taught me to solve this multiplication problem of 112 multiplied by 6?
Of course you can. The numbers would have to be arranged according to their place values like this. Would you like to show me how this problem is solved, Turbo Girl?
No problem. Firstly, I multiply the ones by 6. 2 ones multiplied by 6 equals 12 ones. 12 ones is 1 10 and 2 ones. I write 2 in the ones place and carry 1 10 over to the tens place. Next, I multiply the tens by 6. 1 10 times 6 equals 6 tens. Then I add 1 10 to 6 tens and I get 7 tens. Finally, I multiply 100 by 6 to get 6 hundredths. The answer to 112 times 6 is 672. So Uncle Lim has a total of 672 oranges in the 6 boxes.
You've done a great job, Turbo Girl. What about this one?
First, I multiply the ones by 8. 7 ones times 8 is 56 ones. I write 6 in the ones place and carry 5 tens over to the tens place. Next, I multiply the tens by 8. 0 times 8 is 0. 0 10 plus 5 tens is 5 tens. I write 5 in the tens place. Finally, I multiply the hundreds by 8. 2 hundredths times 8 is 16 hundredths. 16 hundredths is 1006 hundredths. Therefore, the answer to 207 times 8 is 1656.
Well done, Turbo Girl. I think you have learned a very useful lesson on multiplication today. Can you tell me how to multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number?
That's easy. First, I place the bigger number above the smaller number according to their place values like this. In 15 times 5, I multiply the ones by 5 first. 5 ones times 5 is 25 ones. As 25 ones is too big, I need to carry over 2 tens to the tens place, leaving 5 ones in the ones place. Finally, I multiply the tens by 5. 1 10 times 5 is 5 tens. By adding 2 tens into 5 tens, I get 75 as the answer.
What about multiplying a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number?
Like multiplying a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number, I need to first put the numbers according to their place value like this. Then I do multiplication on the ones place value first, followed by the tens place value, and the hundreds place value.
Well said, Turbo Girl. See you then. Bye.
Goodbye, teacher.